Hi everyone. Today we will be changing customary units. So let's look at this first problem. 5 quarts equals how many pints? So first we have to think 1 quart equals 2 pints. So that means we need to take our quarts. We want to change quarts to pints. We have to think 5 quarts times 2, or 5 times 2 equals 10. So 5 quarts equals 10 pints. Another way to look at that or show that would be if this is 1 quart, this is 2 pints. 1 pint, 2 pint. And we could extend that pattern out like this. 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 quarts. And for the pints, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 pints. Now let's try another one. 84 inch equals how many feet? Now this one, we're going from smaller units to bigger units. So we have to think there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So this time we have to divide. We have to think 84 divided by 12, which equals 7. So that means 84 inches equals 7 feet. So let's take a look at 2 gallons and 24 cups. And we're going to compare them with a greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So we have to convert gallons into cups. So we know 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 2 gallons equals 8 quarts. I know that 1 quart equals 2 pints. So 8 quarts is going to be 16 pints. So that means 2 gallons equals 16 pints. Now I know 1 pint equals 2 cups. So 16 pints, we're going to have to think 16 times 2. That's going to be 32 cups. So 2 gallons equals 32 cups. And 32 cups is greater than 24 cups. So 2 gallons is greater than 24 cups. Let's do one more. 5 feet, and we're going to compare it to 57 inches. So we know 1 foot is 12 inches. So we need to think 5 times 12, which equals 60. So 5 feet equals 60 inches. And so 5 feet is greater than 57 inches. So now it's your turn to give it a try. Do your best, and good luck.